Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own S corporation in Michigan. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it, and I'm going to show you the most effective way I believe there is. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation. And to start it, and I'm going to show you the whole process, you need to click here, Start My Business. Then you're going to choose the LLC and change that to S corporation, and then you're going to change the state of formation to something else like Michigan here. Then you're going to have three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver package you're going to have the basics here, and you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold package you're going to have covered everything with the corporation bylaws, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, everything. And with the platinum you're gonna have three things like as an upgrade: expedited filling, business contract templates, and domain name business email. So here you want to click get the gold package. That's one that I recommend. Expedited filling means that your S corporation will be just filled faster. So here you want to add a first name, and I will add Marcus, and then I'm going to the email, and then phone number. So these are the things that you want to add, and under that you will find that you have to add an address. So I will simply add a phone number and an address. And zip code. Now I'll click simply next here. And then you're gonna have option, if you choose the gold package 2, to have about 11 business days or 4 weeks filling time. So I will go 11 business days and click next. Then you have to choose the S corporation name. So I'll simply write here Marcus Stanelius, and then designator I'm going to add and change that to, let's say, LTD, and number of directors, how many directors you're gonna have. Now when you're gonna have it, you have to choose also the business purpose. So I'll write here marketing service for small business owners, and then industry keyword marketing consulting services. And then you're gonna have the corporation information. So I'll like here and Sharper value 0.05. And then you have to choose like how many shareholders you're gonna have. Then you're gonna have the company address information, where you would simply like add here. And then click next here. And when you got it, you have option to upgrade to premium service package, where you would have the business contract templates, domain name, business email address. And then you can click no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Here you have also option to choose the director and officer information like president, treasurer, secretary, and when you will have it, press next here. And then you have to choose the shareholders here, add a SSN number and number of shares. And then shareholder 2, how many shareholders you added. You just need to add them right here. And also same with the directors. So I'll simply add a SSN number. And you will click save. And then you're gonna represent the information right here. And you would press next here. 0 shares remaining, as you can see. And then press next. Then you're gonna have registered agent information here. So assign Incfile as my registered agent, or I would like to act as my own. So you'd click next here again. And then you have to have tax identification number. So you'd simply add an SSN number here. And what it means that Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically, and this option is the fastest way to obtain the number. And then press next. Then you can like create your own bank account with Bank of America and start with that, or you can do it like without them, just not this time, and click next here again. And then you're gonna have the free consultation that yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, or not, I'm not interested this time. I would recommend having it with like Incfile, so they will help you and guide you, and you will understand how your corporation is going to be taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, business bookkeeping requirements, everything you will learn. And then you would press next here, and then you're going to find the business licenses and permits. So this is something I definitely recommend again with Incfile, that they would identify all licenses you need, and they would send you all applications. Or no thanks, I'll do the work by myself. Completely up to you. I recommend with Incfile, so they will cover it for you. And then you're gonna have the review order. So you're gonna review everything. Shareholders, officers, business tax consultation. And when you're gonna have filled it out, click next here again. And then you're gonna have the filling information, the first name, last name, street address, and card number. And when you will fill it out, then you're good to go. And this is how you can simply start. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. I hope you'll enjoy this. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.